Hello, friends. How are you today? I hope you are happy. Today, small English tip. Please listen slowly. Someone asks you a question. You feel confused. You want to say, I don't know. That is okay, but we can say better words. Try this. Let me think. Very polite, very natural. Or say, I'm not sure. It sounds friendly.
You can also say, I'll check and tell you. Great for work and school. Example time. Your friend asks, where is the bank? You say, I'm not sure. Let me check. See? Easy English. No fear, just speak. English grows with practice. Small steps every day. You can speak English. Just start today. Which sentence will you use next time? Please like, share, and subscribe to English Musty.